Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is how I pack for a business trip. My job is kind of crazy. I can travel anywhere from 1 day a month to 10 to 15 days a month. My go-to carry-on style is the compact weekender bag. It's large enough for all my carry-on essentials, but still fits underneath the seat in front of me. I have been with Vera Bradley for over 7 years, so it's probably getting close to over 100 business trips. For longer business trips, the Lighten Up Small Foldable Roller is an essential travel piece. You can pack it completely full, yet it still stays light enough to roll through the busy airports. My favorite place to visit on business travel is Japan. This iconic piece allows you to keep all of your toiletries organized. When I travel, I like to hang it on the back of a hotel bathroom door to keep my counter space clean. I love traveling to New York City to either run in Central Park or go shopping on Fifth Avenue. One of the last things I do to get ready is curl my hair. So this flat iron cover allows me to stick the hot iron in here on the go. The tablet Tamer organizer is great for travel. It has a place for your pens and all of your identification, and even a pocket for those pesky cords. Our bullet journal is also great for taking notes and sometimes even great for doodling. I enjoy traveling with the Gallatin RFID Accordion wallet. It allows me to keep all forms of identification and cards in one spot. My #1 travel hack is keeping your carry-on light. There's nothing worse than trekking through the airport with a heavy carry-on. There are 100 ways to use our iconic Ditty bag. I use it for my running gear. It's lined, it's easy to clean, and it keeps the rest of my luggage nice and dry. I prefer window seats because I am a sleeper on the plane and I like to lean against the window. First thing I do when I check in a hotel is disinfect the remote. I would definitely prefer to explore a new trendy spot in the city. I'm definitely a beach girl. I travel too much. My days for souvenirs are long gone. And those are my top tips for business travel.